Hello, good morning children. Today I will teach you comprehension vowel sound E. In the last video I sent you the comprehension vowel sound A. Today I will teach you comprehension E. First you mention date and classwork, write down headings, then note down the passage. So let's start. First start reading. San has 10 hands. One hand is red. It lays an egg in the net. San sold it for a yen. So first question is, how many hands San has? So we will make answer. San has, do neat and clean handwriting. San has 10 hands. क्वेश्चन में आपको क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाना है, आंसर में आपको मेंशन करना है फुल स्टॉप. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच हैंड इज रेड. सो लुक दिस पैराग्राफ. वन हैंड इज रेड. सो यू राइट आंसर. वन हैंड इज रेड. Full stop. Who sold it for a yen? So who sold it? So answer is San. San sold it for yen. I hope you understand. Complete this work. Thank you. Bye bye.